With me right now from the Laguna Woods Village Symphony is Rita Holcomb and Betty Boutenberg. I'd like to welcome both of you.
Good morning.
Great to have you here this morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you are here really for the primary reason because you sponsor the Global Harmony Symphony and you're going to talk about an event that's coming up. So welcome, by the way.
Thank you. We're having our summer concert a week from tonight at the Laguna Hills Community Center, which is on the corner of Alicia and Valencia.
Yeah.
And it's free admission, but we will take donations, okay? You can get in free, and parking is free, but you know.
And it's, you know what, it's a great location over there.
Oh, yeah. It is.
And I know many times there's been, the Global Harmony Symphony has done stuff over there, and then a while back when they were doing the afternoon, the musicale that they were doing.
Moment musicale, yes.
And it's a wonderful, wonderful area over there.
Yes.
And tell me about really your sponsorship, because Laguna Woods Village Symphony, and then you sponsor, of course, Global Harmony. It's a partnership, really, because a lot of the musicians come from here.
Yes, yes. And, you know, the Laguna Woods Village Symphony is decades old. You know, we're not, we're not a new entity. We've been here for a long time. So, and we've always had the designation of a 503C. All right. So, so when Valerie formed the Global Harmony Symphony, we just sort of melded together.
Yeah.
Which I think is a win-win situation for everybody.
Yeah, it really is.
Yes.
And it's begun a great partnership. Now, tell me about coming up in next year. It is almost a year away from now, but Carnegie Hall, right? Tell me about that, Betty.
Well, how exciting, Carnegie Hall, you know, for this local symphony to be invited over there. And I guess what they're trying to do is raise enough money to go there, because I'm sure it's going to be expensive to have everybody travel there. And
now, this will be a concert where there'll be different symphonies from around the country that all kind of come together?
There are going to be four entities.
Okay.
Yes, and we will be in the major hall of Carnegie. I've never been to Carnegie, all right, but I know that there are various halls.
Yeah.
And we will be in the main hall.
Wow, that'll be fun. So, of course, you're looking to raise funds.
Yes, we are.
And something like this that's coming up on July 9th, next Monday, that's where the opportunity is for people to go there and make a donation.
Yes, yes.
Because you're right, it's for a whole symphony to go there, it's not going to be cheap. Everybody's going to pretty much have to pay their own way, right?
Yes, right. So, you know, just the transportation alone and then the housing, but
yeah, but it's going to be a great opportunity.
It is. It is really exciting.
Yeah. Now,
you know.
when right now are you beginning? You know, it's 9 months away, 10 months away. Are you beginning to prepare, even though it's that far away? Kind of looking at the pieces you might be doing. Yes,
we are, and you know, Valerie Geller, our conductor, she is starting to organize. What her plan of action is.
Yeah.
All right. And she started her plan of action way back in January, February. When we found that we were accepted. Yeah. Then she started her plan of action.
And tell me, how did you get accepted? How did that come about? You have to send in a video, or?
I guess you were invited. There was a movie going on.
Okay.
They filmed them. They filmed the symphony, and it was sent over there. Yes. And then they selected them.
Okay.
Right. Same as the Pacific Symphony, you know, they have been invited to go there. So have we, can you believe it?
Wow.
I don't know, when I sit and think about it, I just giggle because it's so wonderful.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Now, once this happens, and we'll find out more about this as we get closer to it, how many pieces are you going to play? Is there a set amount of time you have?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and it isn't a long, you know, it won't be like a total concert. Right. But Valerie, you know, is also our musical director, and so I'm sure she has in her mind, she's going through already what pieces she would like to present.
Yeah, that's going to be great, though.
Yeah. So
it's amazing, you know, that this symphony that's been decade old, all of a sudden is going to be highlighted in Carnegie Hall.
Yeah, that's going to be fantastic.
Yes.
So, you know, again, a way that people can get involved is not only going to the event that's coming up next Monday, but just in general, people can donate and come to other concerts that you have, right?
Yes, we're going to have another concert at the end of November.
Okay.
And then we always have our Messiah concert at
right.
the Presbyterian, Geneva Presbyterian, yes.
Yeah.
So we're out there.
Yeah. And that way people can help out if they
Absolutely. You know, our arms are open. And,
Yeah.
And we welcome everybody's participation.
Now, how many people are in the symphony that will be going?
Oh, I don't know.
I mean, do you have like 30, 40?
No, we have between 40, 50 sometimes.
Okay, yeah, so it's good size.
Yeah, you know, and we have all kinds of instruments, yes.
Yeah, now, you know, that's a good point. You know, for some people, you have a small instrument, a violin or something that's easy, but people that might have larger pieces, are they going to be taking them there, do you know? Or just once you get there, they'll be available?
You know, I don't really know. That's one of the questions that I'm sure Valerie will be working with, you know. Hopefully they're not going, hopefully there will be some timpani.
Well, yeah, that's, I don't think you'd want to cart that.
No.
I'm sure they have a piano over there.
Yeah, yes. Well, anyway, to get started with this, people can attend the Global Harmony Symphony that is coming up on Monday, July 9th, Laguna Hills Community Center, and it's free admission, free parking. It's at 7:30, and you can certainly attend that and find out more about this. If you'd like to donate, maybe you are a musician. It's going to be your opportunity to maybe get to know these people and maybe join one day.
We are a welcoming, warm, fun, accepting group.
Yeah.
All right? And hopefully you can hear that we play with our hearts and we enjoy it.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. And again, this one coming up on Monday, they always have a guest conductor, and then they have a wonderful violinist, Manwen Lo, and she'll be playing that. The guest conductor is Daniel Gee. Valerie always brings in these great young musicians and conductors from quite often around the world.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, it's remarkable the type of people that she gets here. And great music, great fun, and if you go, make a donation.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Well said.
Yeah.
Well put.
It's great to have you here. I love it.
Thank you.
Great to meet both of you. Well, you I know. I've met you for the first time.
Yeah.
Rita, I know. You've been on for different things, for all kinds of different clubs. So it's great to see you again.
Thank you.
Check that out. Next Monday, we'll tell you more about it as we get closer to it. I'll announce it again. We'll be right back.